Over the next year, this is going to become a huge problem for everyone, and I have a great solution for you that's free. GitHub has become a fundamental piece of internet infrastructure that all kinds of organizations and applications are built on top of. It's a way to allow people to work on a code base together from different places to keep track of who did what. For every single file, you have the whole history. And it's based on this older technology called Git. But there are problems because when you put everything in the cloud, you're putting it on someone else's computer. And if that person is an idiot, then it breaks. And this is what's constantly been happening lately with not just GitHub, but many like core fundamental internet technologies that everyone is relying on to be able to do anything. So Microsoft is like, we have all these problems. There's a huge backlog because they've been forcing GitHub to integrate Microsoft AI products into every single aspect of the project. And you actually can't turn it off. For both of the last 2 years, the most requested feature on GitHub is to be able to disable all of these forced AI integrations that are breaking everybody's stuff and slowing everything down. And Microsoft has said we are pausing all bug fixes, all feature updates for GitHub, which is already not working very well for many people. Like yesterday, it wasn't working at all. The whole actions pipeline was just broken. Microsoft is saying instead of fixing anything or improving anything, we are going to spend the next year moving all of this into Microsoft's cloud. So, yes, all of your stuff is broken, and maybe next year we will work on that. This is a disaster. This is going to be a disaster for so many people for the next year. There is a really good free alternative that you can run yourself today that does everything but gives you full control of all of the options, anything that you want to change, and that is GitLab. And yes, it has all of the AI features, which, by the way, in this case are self hosted, but you don't have to use them. You can turn them off. It has actions. There are all kinds of documents about how to move all of your GitHub actions over to GitLab. You can use your own self-hosted AI that you can change anything about this. It's all open source. It's all free. It's yours. It's running on your computer. You don't have to use anything that you don't want, and you can change anything you don't like. I did this quite a while ago for many of my projects, and it's something that I've been meaning to sort of like do everything else, move everything else over. One of the really cool things is that this also supports the pages sort of feature that GitHub has. So you can use, they have their own version of Jekyll that's built in. You create markdown files, create a pages connection in the repository just like you would on GitHub, and it renders all of it to HTML, and it'll push it to your static web server for you, or to just a port that you have forwarded, or whatever you want to do. And you can host as many websites as you want this way for free on your own computer.